Hi, my name's Scott, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2023 LX Radius Bennington we got in. This boat will be equipped with the 150 Yamaha motor, and it does have the it does have the ski tow bar. This is the radius seating, so the seats lounge and then curve around. We did the black platinum, and then it has the carbon accent on the inside of this boat. And as you can see on the 10-foot Bimini here, it is the blackout package, and I'll show you on the outside of the boat. We also have the blackout package. Dual captain's chairs, so nice feature here. Cruising on the boat, sit in the captain's chairs. We have the elevated helm, and we do have the Simrad here on the dash, and we got the nice windscreen that is a really cool, sleek look on these boats. Up here, we got the nice wide seating, storage under all the seats, radius, cup holders and speakers, all elevated here. It does come with a table, and this does have the RGB lighting package, so your cup holders and speakers light up. Pretty cool feature. Here's the storage in the helm also, because it's a nice big helm. Lots of storage on this boat. Really great boat. We're going to have this boat online at our MarineMaxGreenville.com. It's actually going to be obviously here at the store at Greenville at the MarineMax here. You can give us a call on this boat at 864-236-9005, and I'll get you an outside shot of this boat. Sorry for the shot of the highway there. And here is a video of the blackout package. So come and check out this boat. Got some great inventory of Benningtons here at the store. So this one doesn't fit your needs. We got other ones here for you to look at. The LX 23-foot Bennington with the Yamaha 150. Thanks.